Trade crypto time. Why you gonna trade Bitcoins costs $52,000 if you can make 400% profit? Grok X. Guys, I just made $72,000. In order to find those pumps, my software calculates volume spike plus buyer power. Let me give you an example here. Grok X. Actually, this coin pumped 1000%. On February 13, we bought this coin for 0.0008 and you put a sell order up here, 0.004. This coin pumped up to 1300%. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. The last coins I share in the private list were Nervous Network, Bad Mad Robots, Grok X, Vitor Token, Sora, Liverpeer. Guys, let me give you another example here. Bad Max. Okay, let's go down right here. Bad Max, we made over 90% profit. I shared this trade in the private list on 12. We bought this coin for 0.006 and you put a sell order up here, 0.013, over 100%. Let me give you an example right here. Bad Mad Robots, position the rank 1675. If you go down right here, February 8th, the volume of this coin was $96,000. Volume pumped to 381,000. At this point, buyers are swelling the sellers. That's what happened before the pumping price. That is the pre-pumping volume. Guys, we just made 720% profit. I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Let me give you another example here. Vitor Token. We trade this coin, guys, and it's happened right here. We made over 150%. I shared this trade in the private list on 12. We bought this coin for 0.0025 and it was a sell order up here, 0.0065, 150%. Exactly the same strategy, guys. Vitor Token, position and rank 172. Let's go down. The magic can happen right here. Pay attention to those numbers. January 28, the volume of this coin was 1.6 million. And soon after, volume pumped to $6 million. This volume pump, it's invisible. You can see. Take a look at today. The volume today is $372 million. Guys, if you'd like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and you can make 25% per week. Let me give you an example here at volume spike. Volume spike, let's go right here. Santos Football Fan Token. My software is telling me the volume today is $42 million and volume just spiked 328%. Let's check if that's true. Right here, guys. Santos Football Token, and that's the volume spike right here. The volume today started with 8.28 million and the volume pumped today to $50 million. I'll share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Let's trade together. Together we are strong. Share this video, give me a like, and reach me out. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day, and remember, Trade Crypto Time.